To the members of the Municipal Advisory Council and to our fellow agencies, we have here the Bureau of Fire Protection, Philippine Coast Guard, the PNP, Department of Interior and Local Government, our Post Office, the Municipal Disaster Reduction and Rescue Management Office, and the Office of the Government. To the barangay captains who are here tonight, thank you for supporting us. You know so well that this activity will support and will